Welcome to Cooking Critters Kitchen. My name is Mackenzie and my co-host August. Today we will be making zucchini boats. We're going to start making our filling. This is 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to put it in. And now I'm going to put in the onion and garlic. We're going to start our zucchini boats. While Mackenzie's doing that, I'm going to talk about the zucchini. It has a lot of vitamin C, and the skin has a lot of fiber. Oopsies. Now
what are you doing with the zucchini boats?
We're scooping out the inside. The inside, yeah. Now, I got one done. We're going to let's check our meat. It needs a few more minutes to cook. There we go. And this is the inside. You don't want to throw it away. It's an edible part of the zucchini. So you can use it in different stuff when you're cooking, like almonds or something. Or we could use it in spaghetti. We have 2 types of cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese and jack cheese. And after the meat is done, we throw the cheese on and then we're going to put it in. Looks like we're almost done. That looks yummy. Yep. Ask an adult to help you use stuff like this. Looks like it is done. I'll add this and more. Then we're gonna put this in.
What is it?
It is taco seasoning. And here is a walnut. We're going to put it in.
Wow.
We added our onions and our ground beef and our water and our taco seasoning. It's just like tacos except with zucchini. They're like boats, and you fill that filling in, and then you throw whatever you want, like a taco or anything you want to throw on top of the zucchini. You can put on. Yeah. We need more. Now we have our thing. We're going to fill our zucchini boat. You just fill them lightly until they're full. You want to do this with a spoon or something related to that. Like a spoon. Just throw them. That looks yummy. Yep. Looks like we filled all of them. It looks like it's gonna be good. Now we're gonna stick our cheese on top. We're gonna just lightly toss it. You don't want to get it too much, but just a little bit that it gets enough cheese. We're gonna fill this one up. It doesn't have much cheese. We're going to put this in the oven for 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. We'll be back. Welcome back. We have our zucchini boats cooked, as you see. We have cheese and our meat done. We're gonna decorate them with these ingredients. You can put any of these, or more if you want. I'm gonna put lettuce. What are you gonna put on? Cheese. Yummy, that's good. That looks good.
That looks good. Really good.
Then you can just decorate them. We have fresh salsa, our lettuce, our cheese, our tomatoes, and our other salsa, and our cream. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us in Cooking Critters Kitchen. The next month, February, is the Love Month. We will be doing fruit. Bye.
Bye.
See you next week.
See you next week.